I'm Lael Crompton. My major is Aviation Studies, and I'll be graduating this summer. It's really opened up pathways where I was like worrying, I was stressed, and I was anxious, like, oh, how am I going to get this? To afford these materials, I need to get a job, who's going to hire me, all these questions, and it helps to clear that up. Like, oh, I have someone backing me that's going to help me get to where I want to go. I don't know, I've like seen little snippets of things like, oh look, aviation club, oh look, we have aviation programs, and I just sort of like, oh, this is what I want to do. I'd love to get more into my flight training and really get started.